And these are Mitsubishi.
Got the same one as last time.
Want to hear a loud Mitsubishi voice? Okay, that's quite random. What floor?
Third.
Oh.
I actually have a feel for this camera.
You do?
Yeah. I like how audible these are. Floor. Good luck.
Have a good one. You know who says have a good one a lot? Alex.
Alex.
He heard that when he went to the Park 55? Oh, is your dad gonna be at the Park 55? Because the elevators are right by the beginning, right? I mean, the entrance.
That doesn't matter.
So, are we gonna go back down to, what floor should we go to?
Here, put your thingy against there.
Button for non-service floor does not light up.
We're going down to 1, and then we go up to, what floor should we get on the service elevators from?
I usually start at 4, but if you want to go 7, we can.
7.
Okay.
We'll go back up after this. These buttons don't have call cancel, do they?
I don't think so. I love that light fixture. This is actually pretty tall, too.
Yeah, I know. Oh, lovely light. Let's avoid anybody. Let's...
Oh, I thought we were going to 7. Oh, you're demonstrating call cancel?
No, we're going to 7. I accidentally hit 4.
Oh, look, and it doesn't work here.
Okay.
Mitsubishi fault.
Even if somebody was getting in.
Mitsubishi.
I love how Mitsubishi's
I love the Mitsubishi door tracks.
I know.
They're so sleek.
I know. Whoa! You like that camera?
I actually have a feel for this camera.
You prefer it? Do we switch back or do we keep this one? Or should we keep using
that the downlink comes lighting up with the upload.
You know what? Listen to that. You know, is this one you started to keep you waiting?
Maybe. Do you want to try it?
No.
Okay.
Let's do on the others.
Okay. That's it.